Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivana, and if you're new here and you are a makeup lover and if you do like videos that I'm providing, then make sure to subscribe. Today we're gonna be testing VAL. So I've just realized that these are oval brushes and that's why they probably call them VAL. So these are oval brushes from Wunder2Cosmetics, and thank you Wunder2 for sending me these amazing brushes. I do love them so much. I love the finish. I did my whole face with them. The eyes is separate video, but I don't know. I don't know what to say. I love finish so much. So what are you going to get in this brush collection? You're gonna get, so the first brush is perfect finish for finishing and setting powders. Then you're gonna get perfect base for foundation, perfect contour for cream and powder contour, perfect highlight for cream and powder highlighters, perfect eye finish for blending eyeshadow, perfect sculpt for precision contouring, perfect correct for precision concealing, perfect brow for brow powders, pomades, gels, etc., perfect lip for lipsticks, lip gloss, etc., perfect eye define for detailed eyeshadow in eye crease. So that's what you're gonna get. I didn't even read these instructions. I just took brushes as I wanted, like the way I felt it's going to give me great finish. So for example, the brush that I've used for my concealer, you also can use for your lipstick. I do love the packaging also. Well, let's just jump into this tutorial so I can show you how everything went with these brushes. I will start by prepping my skin with NYX No Filter Primer. Oh my god, these brushes are extremely soft. Using the Wunder2 Caviar Illuminator in Golden Sand, and now for my foundation, going in with YSL All Hours foundation. And you can also use a little bit of fixing spray on your brush. Dabbing it like this because I do have a lot of amount of foundation, and I just realized my pores are gone. Maybe you cannot see on camera that well like in person, but right here in this area I do have larger pores and they are gone. Yay! Usually when it comes to foundation, Beauty Blender is my #1 choice. But let's see how this will work out. Now moving on with my concealer. This is Less Than Foundation Concealer in the shade 20 Medium. I will try to go in with this brush right here. Really small, rounded brush. I do like the way this brush turned out for my foundation. Wow, it really does a great job around your nose. It helps to be precise. Look at this. See? Look at the difference. Like since it is round, it helps to be really precise around this area. Blending everything with my foundation brush. This one is too large, so I'm just blending this part. I'm gonna use a clean brush, and now this right here I think will do great job when it comes to blending this concealer. Now I'm using also this small flat brush just to highlight some other areas. And now for the nose contour, I'm so happy that they provided this kind of brushes, because when it comes to nose contouring, I really do like this front part to be like really thin and emphasized. So I guess I'm gonna go in with, no, this one is too large, so either this or this brush, I'm not sure. No, it's going to be this one, the smallest one. And I'm going in with the NYX Alabaster Gotcha Covered Concealer. Now for my nose contouring, I'm going in with the Makeup Factory's contour palette, mixing these two darker shades and using this brush right here. These two are actually like, they look similar, but they are different in a way, I think. This one seems to be like more angled brush. Like when you do your nose contouring, you do want your brushes to be as precise as they can get, because the area is so small. Moving on with this highlight color right here, just to highlight my nose a little bit, not this much. Don't need this much. Okay, now for the rest of my face contour, I'm going in first with this brush right here. I would say that they do make blending really easy. And now adding some more Caviar Illuminator. Now it's time to set face, and this is Wunder2 Perfect Selfie Translucent Powder. And as you can see, I'm already halfway done with this one. I'll be using this brush. Yeah, it's perfect way to reach this kind of powder. So now it's time for MAC's Mineralized Loose Foundation. This one is in shade medium, and I am using like the second large brush. And I do wanna take off any excess because the brush will pick up a lot of product. Then I'm gonna use a smaller brush. And obviously for my under eye area, using the smaller brush. Now for my blush, I'm using a Makeup Factory's number 15 blusher. This one, or this is too small. No, I'm using this brush. This is too much. So if you took too much product, just wipe it off a little bit. And yeah, a little bit goes a long way. So make sure that if your product is pigmented, just make sure you do not put a large amount of product. And if you need to blend it a little bit more, then just use a clean brush. I'm gonna go in with MAC Shaft of Gold. And I'm gonna be using this brush right here. And make sure that your brush is wet. I'm using a NYX Lavisomucci highlighter palette. Now finishing off my look with some NYX Dewy Finish fixing spray. I will finish my lips and we'll be right back. So guys, this is it. This is the final look. I finished off my lips with some Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in number 65, I think. Yeah, in 65. And the first thing I have to say about these brushes is that they do have really fine finish, like flawless look. That's it. like the fibers, they really do get into your skin, into your pores, and they really do set your makeup, whether is powders or liquid products. And the only brush I haven't used today is this large brush right here. Yeah, I do really like the way they turned out my not only my foundation, but my highlight and my finish of my blush, because it looks so fine and so well blended. Thank you so much, Wunder2, for sending me these products. And what else? That's it for today. And if you do love the way my eyes look like, then you can check my video also somewhere around here or here, I don't know. You can check my I do have a whole tutorial on these eyes. I did use a new Illumask palette, which I'm absolutely in love with. That's it for today, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!